I accidentally got the alarm disabled on here.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, north central Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Purvis, or 12 miles north of Dillon, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Red Springs, Pembroke, Maxton, Roland, Reed, Chestertown, Cheyenne, Bowie, Robinson Community College.
Back down, bro!
Raynham in Southeastern Regional Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I don't know what the heck is going on with that station, but it's freaking possessed. But yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. I accidentally got the alarms disabled on here because I'm collecting them later on. But yeah.